All right, guys, so we're gonna start with 1/2 cup of melted butter, and we're gonna pour that directly into our graham cracker crumbs. And you're just gonna give it a nice little shake-a-roo and get all that nice and bundled up inside. Now that we've gotten it all nice and mixed, we're gonna grab a trifle dish here and we're just gonna plop all of that mixture right into the base of it, just like that. This is gonna create a nice crust. Kind of mash it all down just like this. It is a-okay if there are lumps and bumps. It does not have to be perfect. You're just trying to create a nice shape here for a base. Some of our no-bake cheesecake, and we're gonna place that cheesecake right at the base on top, just like that. I'm going with 1/2 of a canister of it, and you're just gonna spread that out right on top. This is one of my favorite dishes for the fall because I think it is so pretty and it brings out all of the fall flavors. Canister here of no-bake cheesecake, and we've got a can of pumpkin. So what we're gonna do is take some of that can of pumpkin and we're gonna place it right into our canister here, and you're gonna go with about 1/2 a can, and we're gonna give it a nice little mix so that we've got that contrast in color. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some pumpkin spice seasoning because we really want to enhance that flavoring oh so much with the pumpkin. So we're gonna give it a nice spicy element as well as our regular pumpkin-y taste. Look at that. It is looking divine. Dish back, and we're gonna plop that right on top of all that regular cheesecake. So now we've got a graham cracker crust, we've got regular cheesecake, we've got a pumpkin pie cheesecake. I mean, this is just my kind of dessert. What do you guys think? Are you guys pumpkin fans? And we're gonna put that right on top of that cheesecake, just like that. Get it nice and layered out nicely. Perfect. All right. So I'm loving how this is turning out. With that, we're gonna go ahead and bring in some regular graham crackers. And so what I'm gonna do with those is take a few and we're just gonna crumble them up and make it nice and chunky so that we have a little bit of a contrast and texture with our regular graham cracker base, okay? So a little additive here. We're gonna add in some Cool Whip, just plain Cool Whip, and we're gonna put that right at the top, give it a nice little mix-a-roo, and we're just gonna plop that right on top of all of our now crushed up graham crackers, and you're just gonna pile it up, just like that. You want kind of cleaner sides so you can really see the contrast in the layers. So now that we've got that, one more graham cracker, and I just like doing this to put a few big chunks of the broken ones because it makes it like the hills and valleys up there, and I just think it's so pretty. All right, and we've got some pecans. So I love to top everything off in the fall with pecans because I just think it's a nice additive. So you're just gonna put a few of those pecans in your hands and break them up just to add a little bit more of the flavoring. I'm so excited. And then one last thing, add a little bit more of that pumpkin spice right on top. Bada bing. Guys, this dessert is to die for this fall. I'm telling you, you won't want to miss out. Look at those layers. Oh, so good. I would eat it right now, but I have to wait until my guests get here. But I am gonna sneak a little bite just so you guys can see. Oh my gosh. So good.